Imagine you are a child in a remote mountain village and you go to sleep like every evening. While you're sleeping in the middle of the night, suddenly there's a big noise and the house collapses on top of you. You are in the dark in pain, buried under stones, and you hear the screaming of your siblings. And only in the morning, after hours, somebody pulls you out of there and you realize that you have broken much more than just your arm and the house. Your whole life is broken because your mother and your siblings have died. This nightmare has happened to hundreds of children here in Mazada village, and these children now need much more than medical care, than clean drinking water, shelter and food. They also need a safe space, a space where somebody gives them a hug, listens to them, where they can cry, but where they can also for a moment be a child and play and forget about the misery around them.